All right, Andrew, here we are once again at MWC. Now, last year you talked about enabling new business models and B2B revenue. What's new this year? What can we look forward to hearing from you guys?
Yeah, I mean, we've had a pretty consistent theme of probably three topics over the last few years. One was really around industrializing the deployment of cloud native. The second one was around the whole kind of API ecosystem. And thirdly, around automation. Now, what's really different this year is that there is a big fixation around AI, particularly in the application of the automation solutions. We're also seeing a real doubling down on the whole next generation opportunities in the carrier industry, you know, the evolutions of the business models, and that's putting a lot of attention into the enterprise space as well from a communication solutions perspective. And then finally, I think big themes are around customer experience, customer engagement, and IT is starting to come back. 5G has been really consuming at the moment, but IT simplification and kind of having really integrated solutions is a top theme right now.
Great. And in terms of MWC 25, what are your key messages? You've hinted on some of those. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I mean, look, we got some really cool stuff that we're going to be talking about here as Oracle. I think one of the themes you're going to see is how we're bringing Oracle and Oracle Communications much more to the front. So there's a lot of work we've been doing around bringing our cloud technologies and particularly our AI capabilities into the product. So lots of things around vision AI, around speech, translation, sentiment activities, and that's pervasive across all of the products that we're going to be talking about, be that in the network space where we have our 5G offerings, be it in the IT space where we've got automation solutions, we've got billing, we've got our digital BSS solution, or in enterprise applications, and that's a really cool area where we've been doing a lot of work.
Excellent. So Andrew, we're here, the show is starting tomorrow, but why don't you give us a bit of a preview as to what folks will be seeing on your stand? All
right, well listen, why don't we start with enterprise applications? If I take you over here, I guess here's wow factor number one, right, which is what a cool car. This is really sort of, around a lot of the work we've been doing in the public safety space. And so what the users can actually expect when they come to see Oracle is we're going to actually be running some demos, which you can see here in the background. Our first one is going to be around the enterprise applications we've been developing. Public safety is a big one, but actually we've also been looking at areas of healthcare, we've been looking at food and beverage, and so we'll be able to take people through the work we've been doing there, which is really about communications-enabled enterprise capabilities. The second thing that we're doing is we're looking at how we can bring voice together with the AI systems that we now have as Oracle. And so this is doing a lot from a CX perspective and from a transformation around particularly the call center space, and be it efficiencies or be it better customer experience. And then the final thing is, as I said, this new focus that we're seeing on the IT space and the transformation programs. We have to make sure that all of these new opportunities actually are things that can be monetized and can be implemented in the networks. And so this new digital BSS solution that we announced just last June, this is really bringing that together, and it's again bringing AI and integrated capabilities into the floor to really be a game changer. So lots of good stuff to see here.
Excellent. Well, Andrew, look forward to seeing it all in action.
Yeah. Okay.
Have a great show.
Thank you so much. Great to see you.